Let's have a look at the letter Y. You have already seen a lot of words with Y like cycle, gym, système, physique. So you know that this is the sound I, exactly the same we have for the letter I. Compare Gilles, gym, Philippe, physique. So whatever we write, Y or I, we pronounce it with the same sound I. There are words where Y sounds like Y. For example, payer, essayer. The previous vowel, for example, A in payer, acts like there were an I after it, and we know that AI is pronounced like E, so we have payer. It's like Y were divided in two parts, I and Y. The I joins the previous vowel and creates the sound E, AI equal E, and the second part of the Y becomes the Y sound, so we have payer, payer. The same for voyage. We divide Y into I and Y. I joins the O and creates the sound wa. You remember this? You know that this combination is pronounced like wa. And we have the Y sound, so we have voyage. Some other words: foyer, balayer, nettoyer, croyer.